Namaste to all. KVS Chandigarh region extends hearty welcome to one and all on virtual celebration of this 7th International Yoga Day. KVS Chandigarh region feel privileged giving presentation on important limb of yoga, that is pranayama. Yoga is the science of right living. It works on all aspects of the person, the physical, vital, mental, emotional, psychic and spiritual. The word yoga means unity or oneness and is derived from Sanskrit word yuj, which means to join. Pranayama is generally defined as breath control. The word pranayama is comprised of two roots, prana and ayama. Prana means vital energy or life force. The word yama means control. There are four aspects of pranayama: purka or inhalation, rechka or exhalation, antarkumbhaka or internal breath retention, bahirkumbhaka or external breath retention. The breath is the most vital process of the body. It influences the activity of each and every cell, and most importantly is intimately linked with the performance of brain. Most people breathe incorrectly using only small part of their lung capacity. The breathing is then generally shallow, depriving the body of oxygen and prana essential to its good health. The first few practices are preparatory techniques which introduces correct breathing habits. Abdominal breathing. Abdominal breathing is practiced by enhancing the action of diaphragm and minimizing the action of rib cage. Sit in Sukhasana and relax the whole body. Continue observing the natural breath for some time. Try not to expand the chest or move the shoulders. Feel the abdomen expanding and contracting. Continue breathing slowly and deeply for few minutes. This is abdominal breathing. Thoracic breathing. Thoracic breathing utilizes the middle lobes of lungs by expanding and contracting the rib cage. Thoracic breathing, sit in meditation posture and relax the whole body. Maintain awareness of the natural breathe for some time, concentrating on the side of chest. Begin to inhale by slowly expanding the rib cage. Feel the movement of rib cage outside. Be aware of this expansion. Drawing air into the lungs, breathe slowly and deeply through the chest with total awareness. Continue thoracic breathing for few minutes. This is thoracic breathing. Clavicular breathing. Clavicular breathing is the final stage of total rib cage expansion. It occurs after the thoracic inhalation has been completed in order to absorb the little more air into the lungs. The upper rib and the collarbone are pulled upward by the muscles of the neck, throat, and sternum. Relax the whole body in meditative pose. Perform thoracic breathing for few minutes. Inhale fully, expand the rib cage. When the rib cage are fully expanded, inhale little more until expansion is felt in upper portion of the lungs around the base of neck. The shoulder or collarbone should also move up slightly. This will take some efforts. Exhale slowly. Continue for few breaths. This is clavicular breathing. Yogic breathing. Yogic breathing combines the three techniques: abdominal breathing, thoracic breathing, clavicular breathing. It is used to maximize inhalation and exhalation. Its purpose is to gain control of the breath. Sit in meditative posture. Relax the whole body. Inhale slowly and deeply. Allow the abdomen to expand fully. At the end of the abdominal expansion, start to expand the chest outward and upward. When ribs are fully expanded, inhale little more until expansion is felt in the upper portion of the lungs, around the base of the neck. The shoulder and the collarbone should move up slightly. The rest of the body should be relaxed. This completes one inhalation. Now start to exhale. Yogic breathing is used in most pranayams. The entire process should be comfortable and relaxed. This is yogic breathing. Anulom Vilom Pranayam, balancing pranayam. Sit in meditative posture. Keep the head and spine upright. Relax the whole body. Practice yogic breathing for some time. Adopt Nasarga Mudra with the right hand and place the left hand on the knee. Close the right nostril with the thumb and breathe through the left nostril. Inhale through right nostril. Now continue alternate nostril breathing. At the end of inhalation, close the right nostril, open the left nostril and exhale through left nostril. The ratio should start off as 1-4-2-2 for inhalation, internal retention, exhalation, external retention. This is Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Surya Bhedi Pranayam. Assume comfortable meditative posture. Close the eyes and relax the whole body. Adopt Nasarga Mudra. Close the left nostril with ring finger and inhale slowly and deeply through right nostril. After inhalation, close both the nostril, retain the breath and perform Jalandhar and Mool Bandha. Maintain just for few seconds. Release Mool Bandha and Jalandhar Bandha. When the head is upright, exhale slowly. This is one round. Few round of Surya Bheda Pranayam. Benefits. This practice creates heat in the body. It stimulates and awakens the pranic energy. It is recommended for those who are dull and lethargic. This is Surya Bhedi Pranayam. Shitali Pranayam. Cooling breath. Close the eyes and relax the whole body. Extend tongue outside. The mouth as far as possible without strain. Roll the sides of the tongue up so that it forms tube. Inhale and draw the tongue in. Close the mouth and exhale through nose. This is one round. Gradually increase the rounds. Awareness should be on the tongue and cooling sensation of breath. This practice cools the body and mind as well. It induces muscular relaxation, mental tranquility, and may be used as a tranquilizer before sleep. It helps in reduce BP and acid in the stomach. This is Shitali Pranayam. Sheetkari Pranayam. Sit in any meditative posture. Close the eyes and relax the whole body. Hold the teeth lightly together. Separate the lips, exposing the teeth. Tongue may be kept flat or in Khechari Mudra. Breathe in slowly and deeply through the teeth. At the end of the inhalation, close the mouth. Breathe out slowly through the nose in a controlled manner. This is one round. Practice few rounds. Awareness should be on hissing sound. It keeps the teeth and gum healthy. This is Sheetkari Pranayam. Bhramari Pranayam or humming bee breathing. Sit in comfortable meditative asana. The spinal cord should be erect, head straight, and the hands resting on the knees. Close your eyes and relax your whole body for short time. The lips should remain gently closed with the teeth slightly separated throughout the practice. Use thumb to plug the ear and resting on the forehead and eyes. Exhale slowly in controlled manner while making a deep, steady humming sound, like that of black bee. The humming sound should be smooth, even and continuous for the duration of exhalation. The sound should be smooth, even and continuous for the duration of exhalation. This is one round. Perform few rounds. Bhramri relieves stress and cerebral tension. This is Bhramri Pranayam. Thank you.